Good morning. Good morning. I look like this because it's bright and early. I am joining Steve today and we're gonna change and fit a new sink and hot water tap. Oh no, just a normal mixer tap for our friends Nick and Becky. So yeah, it's -2 outside. The street is like an ice rink, but we move. And maybe when I'm back, I'll clean that mirror. Happy Saturday, guys.
Hiya.
Morning, Steve.
Morning.
What's the temperature?
It's on the van. It's -5, but I've just looked on the phone. It's -3.
My front door was frozen shut.
What's left or right? Sorry.
Left. So, Emma and Stevie's DIYs. Off we go.
Yeah, this is, oh yeah.
I turned the water off.
There's little valves underneath, Emma.
Oh.
Put the cow ball of fixed valves, you know.
Hello.
So it's pretty. I don't know why you don't know plumbing.
Yeah.
What we need is a little bit backup. We need a bathroom showroom and you run it. On the finance side. We need some batters. Right, we need screws which are underneath the sink.
So with the previous stainless steel sink removed, it was time for me to get involved and cut out a wider gap for the new black composite sink to go in. I didn't have to cut much off, and then I just added these little notches with the jigsaw for the shape of the black sink to slot into, which you can see here. Then Steve got to work to create the hole for the mixer tap to go in.
Look there, yeah?
Yeah.
So that was done by him. Oh,
I'll tell you what I'll do.
are you inspecting the new sink? Do you approve? Do you approve? Yes, yes you do, Waggy Tails approve.
Right, and then we're going to hit around there.
Clips didn't come with the new sink, so we're just using silicone and the notches that I cut out where you'll see when we place it in where they sort of clip into.
Compare the other ones.
Oh, nice, loads of room.
Right, plenty of room for me for the pipes. That's what I'm going to do. Right, now them are in.
Do your side first and then I'll clip in me little notches.
Right, go on. When you're ready.
Are you in your side?
Yeah, in there.
Yeah.
Alright, away now, please.
Well, would you look at that, Bobby Dazzler? It looks lush. Who taught you how to be a plumber? Who taught you?
I've been doing it since I was 16. Right, so there's one on. So they should make these flexies long all the time.
And then you've got loads of room.
Yeah, and then right you are. Right. So we'll just disconnect the existing pipes, but everything's gonna go back. It'll be a little bit fidgety with the new wastes, but we'll get it.
So for Steve to attach the new longer flexi hoses on the new mixer tap, he's just literally taken off that old attachment so that he can attach the new flexi hose just by fingers to begin with, and then uses the wrench to tighten everything up.
Right, so there's washers on there. You don't need to put any silicone because that's what the washers are for, because silicone can be messy, especially on black. And then in, and we're going to do the overflow next. Even there, to be honest. Yeah. This is the overflow now for the sink, which is like hours tight. Right, so that's too long at the moment.
Oh, then you just cut that white tube.
Cut that white tube. That's the one. There. Right, cutting that. Right. Okay, perfect that. See, some people make them too long and the food gathers in there, all the crap.
Ah, yeah.
You see the dirty marks inside, I'll make them so they're just... Phew. Right. We'll see what they've got, because if they haven't got that same setup there, I'll not be able to use the new one.
Right.
With any major operation anyway. Let's have a look. See how they've cut that one good? That's supposed to be there. So really, I could officially do this. You can it?
Borrow from Pete and Paul.
Borrow from Peter and Paul. Yeah. Can it really? And now when he says that was too long, watch.
Once it's actually in though.
Put it there.
Ah, perfect.
Now
No.
what we need to do, we need to cut that. See that there? We need to cut that with a saw. I'm going to get my saw. I struggle, you know, like making things fit. I have to go away for gear if I haven't got it in my van and things like that. It's just
But you know what you need. I wouldn't have a clue. I'd be on Google like, how to fit a sink.
I need that too short. What's I done that for?
A bit's just dropped out, you know.
Yeah?
That
No,
bit's
it
just
isn't.
dropped out.
It isn't, man. Oh,
There's
sorry.
a bit just dropped
Aye.
off.
Yeah, I'm gone mad. I think it's over we. I'm joking. Yeah, I'm dead cheating.
I think I keep you sane, actually.
Right, okay. Right, let's have a look. There.
Perfect.
I wouldn't want any blockages. These washers are vital. See, that's in case the washing machine went into that one, it's got a cap on it. See, it can't go anywhere, really. Just the sink. I think your sink's a bit deeper than the other one as well.
Yeah, I think it probably is actually.
Oh, I can get that in first. I take that off there. Oh no, I'm not disturb that. So you're just sitting on the wash, that's just a little bit long.
Couple of millis.
You can't get anything lower, but that's what cut the back pipe. Just hoping once it tightens up, it'll be...
It's just fiddly, isn't it?
Hold on. Have we got a dish handy?
Yeah.
Just for water.
So Nick and Becky had purchased a new waste kit, thinking that they would need it with the new sink and tap, etc. But when Steve removed the old sink, he thought that he maybe could have used the old pipes to save them the money, and then they could just return the waste kit that they bought and get the money back from it. So Steve was trying all ways to use the old pipework, as you can see here, just sort of teasing it on and off, seeing how he can make the pipework stretch and work.
No, it's not sitting properly. What a nightmare, isn't it? Let's get it down to there. Crap, that connection. I like that connection one bit.
Looks on the wonk.
I know. Right, we'll try it first.
Whatever.
The water, and let's turn them on. There's a big thing in it.
Moment of truth.
So where do you shut your things off? Just
Little,
there?
little valves, yeah.
Ah.
And then
another one.
one there, but it's just
A bit hidden.
hidden under there. This is going to be spot on, like there's no little issues, drips, anything. Right, okay.
So you've opened up hot and cold.
Yeah.
Moment of truth.
So, hot's on the back one. Eh? How's that?
Have you opened it fully?
Yeah.
Because something's creaking, as if it wants to come out.
The clothes on creaking, are they? Eh? What's going on there? What's going on? Oh, hang on.
Oh, it might be like in the shower when you can change from hose to...
Aye, right. Right. My mistake, I'll leave on there. See, I'll leave that. Well, I've seen a little drip there. See it?
Yeah.
Probably on the trap. We have loosened.
And then just empty it to get like a whole gush of water. Little drip.
Is it?
It's just coming from there.
Oh, I haven't even tried that yet, have we? So this is like...
Careful.
Whew. So if you turn that off, you get out of that. Alright?
That's mint. Oh, dripping, Steve.
Oh, it's dripping badly, isn't it? God.
So this video was actually about to end really abruptly because apparently I just stopped videoing anything else. But like I'd mentioned earlier, Nick and Becky had bought a new waste kit and Steve tried his best not to use it so they could get the money back off it. However, the new pipes just weren't lining up as they should. So it turns out in the end, Steve had to dig into the new kit and then everything was flush as it should have been and then watertight. And you'll see how he fills the sinks a little bit and then removes the plug to just let a big gush of water out at once to make sure that there's no leaks before leaving for the day.
So that's a different leak. That'll be fine. See, the new one, it's lower. It's lower this time.
That looks much better. Sorry again for the abrupt ending, but if you did make it this far, then thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe as it really does support my channel, meaning I can make more content for you going forward. Thanks again for watching, guys. With love always, Dalton.